Does the end of the month at your company look like a mad scramble to collect receipts and reconcile corporate cards? For most finance and operations teams, this is a painful reality. To fix this, most companies turn to expense management software. It digitizes the process, helps employees get reimbursed faster, and gives you a digital trail. But by focusing on expense reports, you're looking at the problem all wrong. The truth is, for the vast majority of your business spending, you don't need a better way to manage expenses. You need to eliminate them altogether. Expense management software is fundamentally reactive. By the time a purchase shows up in your expense software, the money is already gone. You have no control over whether that purchase was within budget, from a preferred vendor, or even necessary. You're left playing catch-up, chasing down details, and dealing with the consequences of spending you had no say in. This leads to some major problems as you scale. First, you have no real control over rogue or maverick spend. When employees can buy from anywhere, they will. Expense software will record these purchases, but it does absolutely nothing to guide employees towards smarter, more cost-effective decisions beforehand. Second, it creates a messy and inefficient accounts payable process. Your AP team is forced to manage hundreds, sometimes thousands of tiny transactions from different vendors. Each one needs to be coded, approved, and reconciled. And finally, you get very limited visibility. A receipt for $500 doesn't tell you much. Without line item details, you can't analyze your spending effectively, you can't identify savings opportunities, and you can't forecast your budgets with accuracy. You're making critical financial decisions based on incomplete data. So what's the alternative? It's shifting your focus from post-purchase tracking to pre-purchase control. This is the fundamental difference between expense management and procurement. By managing the purchase at its source, you solve the problem before it even starts. Instead of letting employees buy from anywhere and then trying to consolidate the data, you channel all purchasing through a single controlled system. This is what a modern procurement and finance automation platform does. Imagine one unified catalog where your employees can shop for anything they need, from IT hardware to office supplies, but it only shows pre-approved items from pre-approved vendors. Imagine budgets and approval workflows being built directly into that shopping experience. Your AP process becomes incredibly simple. Instead of 1,000 invoices from 1,000 vendors, you get one consolidated bill for everything. And since every line item was pre-approved, there's no need for manual reconciliation. You also gain 100% real-time, line-level visibility. You know exactly what's being spent, by whom, and on what as it's happening, not a month later. This allows you to make smarter financial decisions and find cost-saving opportunities instantly. Companies use this visibility to identify over 10% in savings almost immediately. This doesn't mean there's no place for expense software. For travel and entertainment costs, such as a client dinner, a flight, or a hotel room, it's not always practical to use a procurement workflow. A simple expense tool can still be useful. But for the other 90% of your business spend, the solution isn't a better way to chase receipts. The solution is to get rid of the chaotic process that creates them. If you're tired of piecing together finances from last month, it's time to shift from a reactive mindset to a proactive one. Stop managing expenses and start managing your spend. Book a demo with Order.co to streamline your financial operations and scale your business with confidence.